Hey guys, it's been a really long time since I have recorded, and I know you guys don't miss me because I only have 6 subscribers right now, so whatever. But right now we are going to be playing a restaurant tycoon that I saw, and I thought it sounded a little interesting. So I'm going to try it right now. I haven't ever tried it, and I don't really do tycoons, so let's do this. Alright, let's come. Yeah. And oh yeah, and today we're alone. So also, I was thinking about making this channel into a like reaction channel and gaming channel and stuff like that. So I'll let the girl do it. So, ooh, I really like that one. Resturant. A series A. Okay. I don't even know what the fuck I'm supposed to do. A table for two, please. A table. How do I? They just like follow me. I just like give them the table. Like, what do I do here? Oh, okay. Occur. Okay, what you want? Cheeseburger. I love the. Okay, so two cheeseburgers. Two cheeseburgers. You sit right there, rat. I gotta get you some cheeseburgers. Go to the kitchen, cheeseburger. I want a cheeseburger. How do I go to... I go right here. Okay, oh wait, do I? Wait, hold on, wait, where do I go? Okay, I go right here. Space, up, down, space. Space, up, down, I don't know why I said that. Yeah, Buster! Keep your eye for your mama. She say your mama. I know how it feel. I got two cheeseburgers. So what, do I just like... I just take it? And I just like... Here. And so then like, do I just like do that again? I mean like, shit. I need to give 4 people a cheeseburger, but how do I do it? Dude! What the crap? Do I go over here? Do I... What? How? What am I supposed to do here? I have $350 just for a cheeseburger. That's sad. I can't. It's not. What? The crap. So I don't like go over here again. Like click him. Okay, he wants to. Oh, okay. So I gotta do that for every fucking person. Oh, okay. And then I go right here. And I go space up. Space. I know how it feels, so I did it! Give me that mother treasure. There we go, mister. There you go, children's. Okay. Let me in. Dude, this is so epic. I'm cooking. I'm pressing, press up rapidly. Okay, sorry. Whoops, my fault. I was being a little bit of autistic rat. Yes, oh my gosh, people are gonna love my food. Like, come on down. I mean, I know I give you slow service, but I mean, I give you some good-ass food. I'm waiting for the, yeah, okay. Rat, being ungrateful bee. You're lucky I'm even making you food. Wrong one. Keep your eye out for your mama. You say, she say, drama. Oh my gosh, wait, what the fudge? Fire! Wait, where's the cheeseburger? I wasn't even seasoning anything. I was just seasoning literally nothing. Now what? Collect dishes. Yeah, leave. Rat, leave. Are you gonna, like, go? No, fucking leave, rat. Like, can I just, like, do this by my, like, self? No, I can't. Can you, like, leave? Like, hurry up. Who eats a hamburger with a fork and a knife? You autistic craps. Y'all are unholy. Y'all, get out of my, give me my money and go. Like, I don't, wow. I swear to God, if you guys eat hamburgers with a mother trudging stuff, like freaking fork and knife, I'm going to slap both of you guys upside y'all's heads. What do you want? You guys both want a fucking cheeseburger, of course. Oh my gosh. What do you do? Oh, I like his hair. Yeah, I know. Thanks. Dude, I'm... Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I got it. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my god, hurry up, why you so obsessed with me, boy, I wanna know, lying that you're sexting me when everybody knows. Why you so obsessed with me, boy, I wanna know. I can't get that part stuck in my head. Obsessed with me when everybody knows. Oh my gosh, I only have a few seconds left. And I up. I'm Bisco Girl. I'm not gonna do it. Whatever. I tried. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. I am that you're sexting me and everybody know. What, I'm done? Wow, okay. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Dude, I'm like such a good cook in Roblox. Like, dude, you can't compete. Like, I cook better than your grandma's recipe. Like, honestly, I am your grandma's recipe. Oh my god, I think it burns. Yeah, that's what I thought. Why you so obsessed with me? Can I like... Lying that you're sexting me and everybody knows. Dude, I'm such a good cook. Like, honestly, dog, you can't compete. Oh my god, they're eating with a fork and knife. I swear to god, I'm gonna chop their heads off. This is the reason why I want to kill people. Oh my god, I can hire a chef? Thank you. Cook, bitch. Can I? Oh, I have to have $200. Well, once they're done, then I can. Give me my cash. Please. Gracias. Oh my god, look, he's so gangster. Look how gangster these dudes are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. He has a gold chain. You get the best seat. Cook. What do you mean cannot cook yet? But you better start cooking. Okay, so you want food. I got you, dog. I got you. I got you, dog. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome, dude. You guys don't know what you're gonna eat? Dude, all they're ordering is cheeseburgers. Is that like all we freaking like sell? It's just cheeseburgers, like we don't sell anything else. Wait, let me hire a waiter. Yes, sisters, yes. I'm like such a good cook, like oh my god, like Jesus Christ. Oh my god, he actually does do stuff. Yes, sisters, yes. Oh my gosh, now it's letting me do more than one. Oh my god, yay. Hurry up. Okay, so I think after this, I'm gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing from me. And we're going to finish these orders, and then I'm going to say bye-bye to you guys. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And hopefully this saves, because I'm actually going to play this game because I actually like it. It's actually not a bad game. I would honestly play this on my own time. But I also haven't been posting because of school and everything that I've had to do and everything like that. So I'm very sorry about that. Even though, you know, nobody probably misses me and they're just like, oh, okay, she didn't post or whatever. But I will indeed try my hardest to start posting, you know, as much as I would like. And hopefully this saves. So I will gladly try my hardest to post a lot more. And I enjoy you guys. Bye bye.